Biggest reason why a student should choose to T-level computing at Sandwell College is the experience they'll get to be industry ready. Almost every lesson you're going to be hands-on, working with technology, whether that be VRs, whether that be programming, whether that be building your own web applications. In some way or another, you're going to be doing practical work, and that's the best way of learning in this industry. And it really helps prepare those students for when they do go into industry or university to really succeed.
It's really prepared me for the future, because we don't look at things in the past, we more look at things that are going to help improve the future.
We work with the most up-to-date softwares that are being used in industry today.
We cover in their first and second year everything ranging from networks, security, we look at data, we look at programming skills.
I thought this course was perfect for me because it includes an industrial placement, so I get industry work, and it also covers a range of topics like programming, design, in a lot of different industries.
They get that experience of exactly what is industry expecting right now.
The college made sure we had a good placement with good people there. They did consistent checkups, and it really helped me apply my knowledge in industry and see what it was going to be like.
The aim at Sandwell College is just to do everything we can to support the learner to achieve as high as they can. We provide free bus passes for all students, so they're able to travel to college and that not be a hindrance to them at all. But also on this course, it's very tech heavy, so they need a laptop or computer. So we offer free laptops to some students who qualify for it, and we ensure that they're able to achieve all of that. We have an excellent welfare team at the college to do everything they can to support our students, to make sure their priority can just be their education. Everything else around it, we can kind of support them with.
I really like the teachers. I think they help you a lot.
I enjoy the most is the teachers. They're really good. They really help and support me, and I think they make the environment really friendly.
We end up with a lot of students getting offered work placements after the course as well, so it shows that they do have that industry ready ability, so they can go out there and succeed a lot.
My plan after college is to go to uni and do a digital marketing degree. The college has really made it clear for me that IT is what I like to do, so it's showed me the path I want to take to succeed.
I plan to go to university to study computer science, and a lot of what we do in college will apply to the course on uni.
If you do a T-level at Sandwell College in computing, every single day you're going to see the value that you're gaining.
Well, I'd definitely do a T-level. It really helps you develop your skills and give you an understanding of where you want to go in life.
I'd say definitely take the course. The T-level incorporates a variety of aspects of computing.
You're entering an era of technology right now where it's hyper competitive. So if you want to get that competitive edge, this is the place to be.